Hello, today I will discuss a scattering of light. A scattering means distributed all around. What happens whenever a small particle come in the path of light, then light strikes with the particles and scattered all around, that is distributed all around, and this phenomena is a scattering of light. Various natural phenomena may be discussed on the basis of a scattering of light, such as color of a sky is bluish. Why the sky appears bluish? At the time of sunrise and sunset, sun and surrounding appears red. This can be explained on the basis of a scattering of light. Danger signal is preferred red. Why? This can also be discussed on the basis of a scattering of light. When a ray of light passing through milk or the colloidal solution, any colloidal solution, then path of light becomes visible through the colloidal solution. Why? All this may be discussed on the basis of a scattering of light. Let us proceed. What is a scattering of light? A scattering of light is an optical phenomena in which a ray of light strikes with small particles in its path and distributed all around. This phenomena is a scattering of light. Means whenever small particles come in the path of light, then it may distributed all around after striking with the particles. This phenomena is a scattering of light. Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? So whenever a ray of light passing through colloidal solution, its path become visible. This was first discussed by the Tyndall, and the effect is known as Tyndall effect. Why it happens? The path of light becomes visible due to a scattering of light. As we know, the size of colloidal solution is larger than true solution and smaller than suspension. The particle size is very suitable for a scattering of light in colloidal solution. That's why whenever light passing through colloidal solution like milk or the mixture of water and milk, its path become visible because a ray of light strikes with the colloidal particles and it scattered, and due to a scattering of light through the colloidal particles, its path become visible. This phenomena is Tyndall effect. The phenomena of scattering of light by the colloidal particles give rise to Tyndall effect. This phenomena is seen when a fine beam of sunlight enters a smoke-filled room through a small hole. Thus, a scattering of light makes the particles visible. Tyndall effect can also be observed when sunlight passes through a shade of dense forest. Here, tiny water droplets in the fog scattered light. Means water droplets present in the fog behaves like a scatterer, and whenever light passing through these particles, it scattered. Now, properties of scattered light. The color of the scattered light depends on the size of the scattering particles. Very fine particles scatter mainly blue light, while particles of larger size scatter light of longer wavelength. Means if a ray of light strikes with smaller particles, then blue light will be scattered more, and if it strikes with larger particles, then longer wavelength, that is red, scattered more. If the size of scattering particles is large enough, that is very large, then the scattered light may even appear white also. These are the properties of scattered light. Means whenever size of particle is small, blue light is scattered more, and if the particle is large, then a red light is scattered more. If the size of particle is very large, then a scattered light may be the combination of all visible rays, that is white. Now, why is the color of clear sky blue? This phenomena may be discussed on the base of scattering of light. In clear sky, the particles of atmosphere are very fine. Its size is smaller than the wavelength of visible light. Since light strikes with smaller particles, that's why blue color is scattered more and red scattered less. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particles in air scattered blue color more strongly than red color, and the scattered blue light when enters our eyes, and it produces bluish appearance, and hence our sky appears bluish. What happens if there were no atmosphere? Then how do the sky appear? How it look like? So no doubt a scattering phenomena takes place due to presence of particles in the atmosphere. If there were no atmosphere, then no doubt phenomena of scattering does not take place. And if the phenomena of scattering does not take place, then no light come out. And if there is no light come out, then it appears dark, black. Means if the earth had no atmosphere, there would not have been any scattering. Then the sky would have looked dark, The sky appears dark to passengers flying at very high altitudes, as scattering is not prominent at such height, because at such height there is no atmosphere. Danger signal is preferred red. Why? The red is least scattered by fog or smoke. The red light is least scattered because its wavelength is large. Therefore, it can be seen in the same color at a large distance or from far point. That's why danger signal is preferred red, because phenomena of scattering is very least for the red color. Color of the sun at sunrise and sunset appear red. As you notice, at the time of sunrise and sunset, sun appears red. Not only sun, surrounding also appears red. What is its cause? Why it happens? At the time of sunrise and sunset, no doubt position of sun is at horizon, and light from the sun near the horizon passes through thicker layers of air and larger distance in the Earth's atmosphere before reaching our eyes. Near the horizon, most of the blue light and hence shorter wavelengths are scattered away by the particles, and only there is a red light that reaches to us, that reaches to our eyes due to its longer wavelength. This gives rise to the reddish appearance of sun. At the time of noon, it appears white. Why? Because a scattering of blue light is very less at that time, and at the noon it appears white. Okay, that's all for today. Thanking you.